Show you guys a two-stage 80,000 BTU furnace. This is the only furnace that I have not been able to fix in honestly my career. We tried it. It works sometimes. It still doesn't work. I tried it. At the end of the day, I was trying to save it money. It's for like $19.90. At the end of the day, it's got to go. So we got it with a brand new furnace. At the end of the day, I'm gonna fix all this for. This is my cousin. So if I ever say you're gonna get the family special, this is what you're gonna get, man. All right. So at the end of the day, furnace is gonna get lifted up. I'm gonna put bricks, pan, shoes, seal everything off. The new furnace is a little bit wider, so I'm gonna retrofit the sheet metal a little bit. I got the guy a new humidifier, 700, so I get to show you guys that. Same thing, everything new, everything new. And oh, I see what he was saying. He wanted me to replace it. We'll talk about that later. But yeah, I'm gonna fix the electrical for him. Look, they use copper plumbing pipe here. They use flax. I mean, there's a big hole there. They got a handyman box here. It's not even temper resistant. So I'm gonna just take my time and hook this guy up. But I wanted to show you guys the before, just so you guys can see. Oh, and technically I'm gonna change this gas valve too, because it's old. I don't know if you guys can see that. And normally these guys, they leak all the time. So at the end of the day, let's say I swap it out. He'll call me later that he smells gas, and then it'll be that guy. So we're just gonna remove it now, so he doesn't call me for that later. And I think we got him in a automatic one of these, cause no one ever knows how to use these. So we got him an automatic one. So we have the unit out, very dirty in here. He's gonna clean it out real fast before we start going in. Same thing with this. This one he already vacuumed out of. This is the exhaust. But yeah, he's gonna clean up. And then this is technically we're gonna use the same electronic air filter. Normally no one ever uses this. Every time I see one of these, it never works. But this one works. He's got all the parts here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like with all the stuff off. You know, so we're getting there. We're getting there. But yeah, this is where we're getting there. AC, I haven't even checked the condition. Oh, it looks okay actually. Oh man, it's not okay. Well, we'll clean that up. Hey, so this is the end product at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, it's a two-stage furnace, same thing. We ended up giving the guy new power, and we ended up piping it just so that it can carry the ground. So we got rid of the switch that was here. We piped it directly, same thing, just a circuit for it. And then he's got 3 things here, which technically go for the furnace. It's not a big deal. And then at the end of the day, I didn't automatic humidistat, which is technically what you should be wasting your money on. And we put the unit on the plenum as opposed to the return. Same thing, April Air 700. No, nothing crazy, you know. Same thing, the drain, all the stuff here. We ended up doing a new exhaust up to here, and we ended up cleaning the exhaust, cleaning up the ductwork. We kept the electronic air filter, metal pan, and then this is so that they can sweep underneath, God forbid. Same thing, the drain ended up running from behind the unit so that you don't physically see it here. But yep, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. And technically, he still's got to seals all this, and then technically, for the price, that's my cousin. He can fix that later. Same with this. But yep, that's it. This is the guy.